Oh, it means a lot to me. I never thought I would get it. It's just, I mean, all the other people there are so accomplished. I never thought I would be chosen, so thank you very much. There's a lot of impressive people doing some amazing things. I teach people how to think bigger, and think bigger isn't just an idea, it isn't just a method, it isn't just telling people how to go beyond whatever's in their head at any given moment. It's a method that I created that teaches people how to come up with what is it that they really care about, what's their dream, what are they passionate about, and how to turn that into something that they can make real. And so in very practical terms, I teach people a 6-step method by which they can generate a solution to any complex problem that might be confronting them as individuals, as part of an organization like a company, and hopefully someday we'll even see people practicing it at the national and societal levels. To receive the recognition from other people who are also spending as much time really thinking about the very questions that I've been grappling with, and to feel that, wow, they actually feel that what I'm doing has value, and that means a lot to me.